I have a BB Crafts. BB Crafts actually reached out to me and asked if I would be part of their program. And so I went ahead and I agreed. I don't normally do this kind of stuff because I don't want to reach, any of you know me, I'm not a confrontational or an asking type of person. I just like to do things on my own. So when they did reach out to me, I went ahead and agreed to it. And let me show you what I got. Okay guys, look at here. I have got some of these are Panda Hall Elite, and they are the little eye hooks. Let's see, do we have a size on here? Probably not. Oh look, let me see. But let me show you what I've got here. I love the packaging, guys. You know how sometimes it's very hard to keep things together because if they come in these little bags, they tend to get all over the place. So let me show you what we have. The findings that are the straight pins with the little eye hooks on the end. And there's my Thomas yelling. So there's those. Let's see, how big are they? The way I'm measuring, let's do it a little more. Okay, 2 5/8. These are right at 2 5/8. Now, these look like they're a little shorter. Remember what I ordered, that'd be one thing. But if I know, guys, that things have been just chaotic around here, and I'll have to explain in another video. Okay, and these are right at 1 1/4. We have 1 1/4, and we have quite a few of those. And then the 1 5/8. There's a lot in that one. And then I have this a silver chain. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. Beautiful silver chain. And here I have some more of those pins. And these are 1 1/4. And then I have some dies. And this is a 5 set of flower dies. The largest one is right at 1 1/4. And then it goes down to 1 3/4, a half, right at a half, and this is just, okay, that is 5/8. So I have those dies. And then one of my fun things to play with are these stamens. Look at this big old bag of stamen. Oh my goodness, I love it. So look at all these beautiful colors. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is perfect for the holiday season coming up. Look at these beautiful, I mean, they're silver. And look at this deep green, some black, and this beautiful burgundy and reds. Oh, I just love them. Look at all those colors. So, guys, they did give me a code, and I'm going to leave that in my description box below, that if you want to go over and check them out, I really do. So far, the quality of this is just beautiful. I've never ordered from them before, so this is a first. let's go ahead and kind of open up the statement. I want to kind of take a look. So I can pull on it, pull on it. Well, good twist. Oh, looks great. Looks great. That just was the other piece. I didn't break anything. So far, so good. Okay, guys, I will be coming at you with a couple videos of what I do with the product that they sent me. So I hope that you will like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you will know when I've got some videos coming out for you. So I hope that you enjoy this. I know it's something new for me, but it was something that my little buddy, it was something that I thought I'd go ahead and give a try since they asked me to. Guys, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. I hope that you all have a wonderful day. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.